So people, here you go, it's a beautiful day to take a slash. And you see my garden? This is where you have a slash. Have a slash in here. So when I'm talking about you having a slash, that means you have a piss. You go to the toilet. Usually you urinate. Doesn't mean you poo at all. Just means you urinate outside. And well, when you slash something, it means you got a knife and you're cutting it. Like you cut some skin, or you're cutting a plant. You're slashing. That is a slashing motion. So when you're slashing, you got your penis, and you're just going everywhere. Oh yeah, this just feels real good. Ooh yeah, bloody hell! Oh, I like to have a slash now. So, how do you use this word in a sentence? So, you could say, I like to go to the toilet now. But you can replace toilet with slash. So, I like to have a slash now. Or, you could say, did you have a slash over there? That's a question. Did you go to the toilet over there? So it basically mean the same thing, but when you use toilet, you mean you're urinating or you're having a poo. When you're having a slash, it means you're only urinating. If you want to use poo, you could say, did you have a dump? Did you have a dump over there? I can see some poo over there. Did you have a dump? When you have a dump, it means you had a poo. I should have made that for another sentence. So, I'm having a dump, leave me alone. I'm having a slash too, go away. So that's basically how you use those in a sentence. I hope this helps. And don't have a slash or a dump in public. It's just really disgusting. Bye bye.